Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Once done, open the glove box and remove its screws using a Phillips and an 8mm socket. This exposes lower dash fasteners. Make sure to pry trim with a plastic panel tool, not a screwdriver, to avoid damage. As you work, place screws and plastic clips into labeled bags so you know which panel they belong to later. This organization speeds reassembly and prevents lost parts, which is critical on an older Maruti 800. Now focus on the upper dash. Remove the instrument cluster bezel and unscrew the speedometer cluster. Pull it forward gently and unplug connectors by pressing tabs. Next, take out the radio and heater control unit, labeling each connector with tape so reinstallation is foolproof. Continue by removing screws at the A-pillars and under the defroster vents to free the main dash shell. Move methodically and keep parts in order. Patience here prevents broken clips and simplifies the rest of the dash removal process. With all fasteners removed, support the dash from below and have a helper loosen the remaining bolts while you guide the dash forward slowly to avoid snagging wires. Once free, inspect wiring bundles, heater ducts, and connectors for corrosion or stretched wires. Repair or tape as needed so nothing fails later. For reassembly, reverse the steps, reconnecting labeled harnesses first and testing lights, gauges, and heater controls before final screws. If a gauge doesn't work, check its connector and fuse as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.